For more than a year, he's been silent since protesters accused him of beating an autistic teenager during a disturbance at Fayette Mall. But not anymore. Former Lexington Police Chaplain Donovan Stewart wants his reputation cleared, and he's filed a lawsuit to do so. LEX 18's Lee Searcy has the story.
Donovan Stewart got a standing ovation before talking about his retirement and lawsuit.
I would lie if I would not say that it's been hard last number of months, and I have a lot of pain and hurt inside of my heart.
He's been under fire by protesters since this February 2019 incident at Fayette Mall caught on video. Some accused him of assaulting an autistic teenager during a disorder. But Stewart's attorney claims the ex-chaplain, who was never charged with misconduct, was defending himself after the teen punched Stewart first. Stewart's now suing protesters Sarah Williams and April Taylor, plus 10 more unnamed people for defamation. They were outside the FOP Lodge protesting today as Stewart and his attorney talked to supporters. They're suing, saying the sisters have viciously attacked Stewart and his family for spreading blatant lies by calling him a racist and much more. His lawyer played this clip of Williams protesting at Fayette Mall recently.
That not only does he beat autistic teenagers, he beats his wife and children.
And enough is enough. These defendants who have published and disseminated these false, dehumanizing, degrading, outrageous, vile statements, they'll get their due process.
Sarah Williams stands by her claims.
Did we release the truth? Yes. Do I stand by that truth with every breath in my body and all the breath of my 6 children? Yes, I do.
Stewart, who's a pastor at a church in Lexington, still defends his profession.
The Lexington Police Department is a noble agency. It is a courageous agency full of men and women, individuals from a variety of backgrounds that have the desire to protect and to serve this community.
Lee Searcy, LEX 18 News.